In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see closed tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever finished a task and then needed to go back and double check what was done or track your team's progress over time, knowing how to quickly view closed tasks is really important. ClickUp makes this simple, but it's not always obvious at first glance, especially if you're new to the platform. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step and give you a bit of context along the way so you understand what you're looking at and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From there, navigate to the area or space where your work is organized and open the specific list where your tasks live. You want to be in what ClickUp calls the list view. This is one of the main ways to see tasks in a structured vertical layout, grouped by things like status or priority. If you're not already in list view, look along the top of your screen for the different view tabs, such as board, calendar, or Gantt. Click on the one labeled List. Once you're in this view, you'll see your tasks lined up, usually grouped by status like To Do, In Progress, and Closed or Done, depending on how your workflow is set up. By default, ClickUp often hides completed or closed tasks to keep your workspace clean and focused on what still needs to be done. To see the tasks you've already closed, look above your task list for filters or status options. You should see a label or button related to task status, including an option for Closed. Click directly on Closed. As soon as you do that, ClickUp will refresh the list to display tasks that have been marked as completed or closed in that particular list. You'll now be able to scroll through and review everything that's been finished. This is especially handy for checking when something was completed, confirming that all steps were followed, or simply getting an overview of your team's progress. If you don't immediately see any closed tasks, it may mean none have been completed in that list yet, or additional filters are hiding them. You can adjust filters like assignee, date range, or tags to make sure you're not accidentally narrowing down the results too much. And that's all there is to it. By opening your list view and then clicking on Closed, you can quickly bring your completed work back into view